it's me Jimmy Agik. So here is the gaming half keyboard, single hand keyboard especially for gaming, fully programmable key. I will be looking in a different. This is just unboxing and my first opinion on it, like quick review. Okay. Well, okay. The key removal just fell down. NPET. Okay, they are small company. That's good. I mean, the first impression seems quite good. For less than 20 bucks, I got a gaming keyboard. Okay, let me put the box aside. That is not important. The thing important is the keyboard itself, isn't it? Okay, the first impression seems quite nice. Let me be honest with you. As you can see, it seems quite nice. As you can see, like, let me just plug in and then let's see. It's quite comfortable. I wanna be honest here. For less than 20 bucks, the keys are very good. Again, this is not mechanical, this is membrane, but I'm liking it. Okay, now let me just take out my, if you don't know, I'm recording video with my Bluetooth controller. Yeah, so let me just zoom in, and show you slowly zoom in. I mean the key's quite nice, as you can see by yourself. I mean, I'm liking it, to be honest with you. So let me just now take out my laptop and connect and show you. Now let me just plug in the keyboard. I'm very much excited, to be honest with you. The NPET, okay, is telling me something like it's ready or something. Let's see. Okay, it seems ready. Let me just fire the Battlefield game and then let's start playing the Battlefield game. Come on. So I mean the first impressions is quite good. It's really absolutely affordable. The build quality is amazing for the price. I want to be honest here. Okay, now the game is started. Let me just like move the camera a little bit backward. How is that? Can we get more? Yeah, I think so right now. Yeah, so now you can see the on the right I have my gaming mouse. Okay, let me continue the campaign. So even I can decrease the light by pressing the function and F4, and function and F5 increase the light. With function F2 I can take, wow, I don't want this light. Let me go with blue or something red. Yeah, red, you see. Wow, I mean this thing look very nice, to be honest with you. I can like easily, I mean I don't have to use this one, or I don't have to use some kind of like a mechanical keyboard, because putting a mechanical keyboard requires a lot of space, or I need to use some kind of, let me show you. If I play with mechanical keyboard, I have to use this one to put my laptop on the top, and underneath I put the mechanical keyboard. But again, sometimes I really just want to game quickly. I don't want to set up my setup on my gaming laptop on my OLED. This thing is amazing. Okay, can you see? Okay, let me just bring the camera more back. Okay, and then let me just turn up the camera. Yeah, that is fine. I mean this is amazing experience, to be honest with you. I'm enjoying it. So yeah, this is a must buy. Subscribe and buy. The link will be in the description box below.